Hey, it's Kate with WTI. After a tough workout, I love to add a little something into my hydration to make sure that I'm replenishing my electrolytes. And my favorite way to do that is with IQMIX. This one is my favorite flavor. It's the lemon lime. I think it tastes so good. I think it tastes like a key lime pie personally, or like a lemon cookie, like some kind of mix in between those two. It's super, super yummy. So my favorite way to use this is actually in my large water bottle. You can mix it with a smaller amount of water if you want the flavor to be really strong, but I like it a little less than that, a little lighter than that. So I'll mix it with my about 36 ounces of water. But then I drink that down after my workout and it really helps to replenish me. I really appreciate that this doesn't have sugar in it because a lot of electrolyte mixes do, and I'm looking to stay away from added sugar. It also has a brain nutrient blend, so I am not a nutritionist or anything like that, but I just appreciate that I'm getting a little extra boost, especially after a tough workout. I sweat a lot during my workouts, and so I'm looking to replenish and feel my best. So I love this. I really appreciate how they are very, very portable. I can just stuff this in my bag and I am ready to use this on the go. It's a simple little powder packet that I just add into my water. I shake up my water bottle. I find that it dissolves very easily. If you are looking to add electrolytes back in after a tough workout, you just need a little boost of hydration, especially if you love the flavor of lemon lime. I highly recommend this by IQ Mix, but that's just my point of view.